Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Collect materials first. 2 wood pieces, glue, sandpaper, a 1/4-inch router bit or chisel, and optional 3 mm silicone padding. Cut one board to 6 inches by 2 inches for the base and a second board to 3.5 inches by 2 inches for the back support. Mark a 1/4-inch groove along the base edge to hold a phone lip, 3/8 inch deep and centered. If using metal or acrylic, mark equivalent sizes. Adjust drill speeds and clamp firmly for safety. Start shaping. Clamp the 6-inch base and route a 1/4-inch wide groove, 3/8 inch deep, centered 1/4 inch from the front edge to create a secure lip. Cut the 3.5 inch back support at a 70-degree angle to lean the phone back. Trim the top edge with a 3 mm chamfer for comfort. Sand both pieces with 120 grit, then 220 grit until smooth. Dry fit the parts, check phone sit angle, and adjust groove width if necessary for cases. Assemble the stand. Apply waterproof wood glue to the mating faces and align the back support at a 70-degree angle. Clamp for 30 minutes and let cure 24 hours. Press a 3 mm silicone strip into the 1/4-inch groove and add a 3 mm pad where the phone rests against the back. Lightly sand joints, remove excess glue, then apply 2 coats of satin varnish, allowing 2 hours drying between coats. Test stability with a phone and adjust padding for snug fit and cable access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.